Hey everybody, today we're going to be doing another anime drawing tutorial. This time is from the anime Kill a Kill. It's a cool anime, and it's about discovering your true self, and I think that's a message we can all relate to today. And so today I'm going to be drawing the main character, Raiko. She's a cool character. She's very powerful. She's got red hair and a little black hair. So today we're going to begin drawing Raku. There's my old drawing from Dr. Stone. I'm just going to get rid of that. We're going to get a little reference here. So I'm going to hit I'm going to hit paste. Now we have a cool reference. So that's what I like to see. And we can make this fit like this, and now we can really see the cool reference we're doing. So we're gonna start as we always do with a new layer, and we're gonna draw a circle like this. Okay, and then we're gonna draw my pen, and then we're gonna draw the jaw line. Jaw line's very important part of the tutorial, and it's always followed by the eyes. So as you go like this, and just kind of be yourself with the eyes, and that's what I do. I like to draw a little thing for the mouth, and she's frowning. So you have this little part dropping off here. Maybe my little teeth here. She's a little upset, and I like to increase this and get rid of this. Makes it kind of one piece, like that. And then we'll go back here. We're gonna draw. We can draw by dripping her eyes. It's a little bit like this. She's very focused. Her character's a lot of focus. So I'm gonna. She's a little angry. I like to add another layer for the hair. So. Do this and get out of this and put like that. It's just important. Add yourself into it, and don't worry about all the details, 'cause the details will come later. And it's just important. Just be confident. You add the neck, and last part I like to do is just add a little bit of the red hair. So she gets the red hair, it comes down, and I like to add red hair so I make it so it matches the line of hair like this, and there it is. I hope you guys like the tutorial, and let's see you guys. I'll see you guys next time. Just send in suggestions, and just let me know what you think. Okay, thank you.